I've created reseller links in InstaMojo. So if you have InstaMojo account already, so my 30-day offline to online challenge, I think it also has a reseller link. You can go and search in resellers in InstaMojo. You can become a reseller. You can become a reseller of this product. Okay, so reseller commissions and everything are mentioned there. I have 4 products for which you can become a reseller. In fact, for my 199 also, if you become a reseller, I'm giving full 100%. But I don't think we have set up the InstaMojo reseller link for that yet. As soon as I have that, I can give you that. But it is better to sell bigger ticket products because sales effort is same, whether you're selling bigger or smaller ticket. So I have this, the 2-day knowledge business model, right? So I also have a 3-day Go Digital formula, learn the language of the digital world. You can become a reseller for that as well. And I think we have good reseller commissions there. I think I'm almost offering 40% reseller commissions. Let me check that, okay? Let me check what is the reseller margin there. So if you think you want to fund your own program, fund your program. If you think somebody can benefit and they will trust your guidance, you have 40% commissions on a 10,000 rupees 9999 program. Okay. So I want to reach out to many people. So as you see, I'm not too much interested in other things. So I want to, because if you want to fund your own program, 30-day Grow Digital Challenge also, I think let us see what is the, because these are recorded sessions, I can give you good commissions. So if you think this 30-day challenge and all, for my recorded programs, you have 40% commissions there. For my recorded programs, I'm sharing a lot of commissions. But for my live sessions, because that is my time goes there I think you just have 10% on 30-day offline to online challenge. I think we set only 10% commissions, I think. Let me check that because a lot of my time goes there. But for recorded, it is not much effort on my side. It's done. And I would like to really give you the most so you can fund your own program and make some money there. Okay. So, okay, this is 20% on 14, but I don't think you will get the benefit. Okay, on this price it is. Otherwise, you will have to give the other links, discounted links. I don't know how to make reseller commissions on that. Right. So you can search in InstaMojo. You can see what products of mine you would like to resell. And if you want to become a reseller, you can let me know that, and we will see. We can take discussions forward from there. Oh, I didn't do a screen share. I was simply talking myself. Okay, I will show you my product store. So these are this 30-day Grow Digital Challenge reseller. You can just go and simply search in InstaMojo in resellers. If you go and type here knowledge, I don't know if it helps knowledge. By my name it will come. I don't know. Let me see if it finds by my name. Yes, it finds by my name. Right. The reseller margins are also shown here. And there are other more courses also. Grow Digital. Let us see if the product comes here. We have to see what are the tags we have put because I've set this up only recently. But if you're interested to become a reseller of my products and fund your own program, you can message me, let me know, and I will do whatever is necessary to get that working for you. All right. So just whatever, if you have questions, you would like us to talk to you, just PM me because we need your interest first. We are not going to simply call just like that because, we have to do the closing, make sales call. I'm not into that game at all. Okay, if you have already decided to work with me and you have some challenges you want to discuss, we will very happily welcome you. We'll discuss what is needed. And just PM me if you want to resell my products and earn some commissions and fund your own program. Then that is also open. So I'm making whatever is possible from my end so that you are on your own. You can get going on this journey, right?